Your lock screen is more than just a wallpaper. It's your first layer of security and one of the most useful parts of your phone. By properly setting up your lock screen and always on display, you can make your Galaxy S26 safer, more personalized, and easier to use every day. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this video, I will walk you through configuring the inbuilt One UI lock screen and AOD settings on the Galaxy S26 series. To begin, swipe up from the home screen, then tap the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Here, you'll see all the features you can use to customize your lock screen and always on display. Let's start with Screen Lock and Biometrics. This is one of the most important settings because it protects your phone from unauthorized access. Tap Secure Lock Settings and Biometrics, then enter your current PIN, pattern, or password. If you haven't set one yet, tap PIN, then follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to enter at least 6 digits for better security. If you prefer a password, tap Password, then create a strong one with letters and numbers. You can also choose Pattern if that's more convenient for you. Just tap Pattern, then follow the next instructions to draw a unique pattern. Now let's set up biometric security. For Face Unlock, tap Face Recognition, then follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face. For Fingerprint Unlock, tap Fingerprints, then follow the steps to register your fingerprint. The setup wizard will guide you through the process step by step. Once done, you can use your face or fingerprint to unlock your phone instantly. Next, let's configure Extend Unlock. This feature keeps your phone unlocked in certain situations. Tap Extend Unlock, then enter your security lock. Read the overview, then tap Got It. You'll see 3 options. Tap On Body Detection, then turn it on if you want your phone to stay unlocked while you're holding or carrying it. Just remember, this cannot tell if it's you or someone else holding the device. Tap Trusted Places, then turn it on. Enter your device security lock when prompted. Tap Add Trusted Place, then choose a location like your home or office. You can directly enter the name of the place or find and pin it from the map. Tap Trusted Devices, then tap Add Trusted Device to connect something like your smartwatch or car via Bluetooth. Now let's move on to Always On Display. Go back to the main settings menu, then tap Always On Display. Turn the switch on to enable it. Once enabled, you can choose what appears on your screen, even when it's locked. You can toggle options to show or hide the lock screen wallpaper and the Now bar. Tap When to show, then choose how AOD behaves. Tap to show only activates when you tap the screen. Auto adjusts based on usage and environment. Always keeps it visible. As scheduled lets you set specific times. For new notifications, shows it only when needed. If you select As Scheduled, tap Set Schedule, then choose your start and end time. Next, let's configure the Now bar. Go back, then tap Now bar. Here you can choose what information appears, like live notifications and quick updates. Turn on the switches for the features you want, such as live notifications, Now Brief for personalized suggestions, Do Not Disturb, and Torch. This helps you access important info quickly without unlocking your phone. You can view the Now bar information at the bottom portion of your lock screen. Just tap it to view more details. Let's finish with the remaining lock screen settings. Turn on Touch and hold to edit so you can quickly customize your lock screen by long pressing it. Next, enable Roaming Clock if you travel often. This shows both your home time and current location time. Just be sure to set the correct region to ensure correct information is displayed. Lastly, tap Contact Information, then enter your phone number or email. This helps someone return your phone if it gets lost. Just enter your alternate phone number or current email address in the space provided. Tap Done to save your details. Your contact information is now displayed on the lock screen. You can always go back and adjust these settings anytime by returning to the lock screen and AOD menu. And that's how you fully configure your lock screen and always on display on the Galaxy S26. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.